Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Playa Paraíso. We're going to be in a complex called Club Parai, which is one of the towers that you see as you're coming down into Playa Paraíso, opposite the Hard Rock Hotel. And we're up on one of the upper floors with an absolutely awesome view, which we'll see in a sec. Well, you can see it behind me now, but we've got a direct view of La Gomera. The sunsets that you'll be able to see from this apartment will be absolutely awesome. So we're going to be looking at a one-bedroom apartment, although some of it's still in original condition. It's still perfectly serviceable, and could be an idea for someone if you want to come in and then just change things as and when. Nothing needs doing right now, so let's have a look around. So we've just come in there through the main door here, and this is what we get to see as soon as we're in the apartment here. We've got a sea view directly straight out of that window even before we start. And straight in front of us, the kitchen. So as I say, it's all original, but still in really, really nice condition. You don't have to do anything at all now here. If you don't want to, move straight in. This lady's lived in this apartment permanently for 4 years. There's the view out there, as she said to me when she asked me if I'd like to come and take a look. She said it looks like you're on a boat when you're in the kitchen, so and it does too. So let's go now. On the left hand side here, we've got a cupboard with a washing machine in it. There's the main door again, just so we get our bearings. And then here, this cupboard here is for coats. We'll go into there in a second, the bedroom and the bathroom. But it's really, really spacious, really nice. As I say, with that view there, and let's just see, I'm not going to stand right there at the moment, we'll wait for that later, but you can see La Gomera out there as well. So left here into the bedroom, which again is massive. In fact, you can make these, some people made these into two bedrooms, and I'll show you how in a second. Obviously the same great view straight out of there as well. Wardrobe. And then we've got the bathroom here as well. So Jack and Jill hand basins. And a bath with a shower head there. And then next door, we've got the loo. So just to come back into the bedroom, so I'm with my back into the bedroom here, bathroom on the right, toilet on the left. But what has happened, some people have actually taken this cupboard out because it's only jackets, and what they've done is sort of put the bathroom element in this area here, closed that door off, made a door down here, so then you can actually have, because there's a door here anyway for the bedroom, so then you can have two separate entrances, two separate bedrooms, using a part of this as well as being the bedroom, and then we've got the bathroom here on the left hand side. So that's a good idea there anyway. And let's have a look at the view on the terrace. So we've got a fabulous terrace. We're on very, very high floor here. Anyone that knows me knows that I'm not that brilliant on the heights, but when you've got a view like that, you've pretty much got to come out and use it. And it's a big terrace as well. There we are, look, there's the view there. Straight down to La Gomera. And as I say, good sized terrace as well. Proper usable terrace there. You'll get some lovely sunsets as well. You can imagine the sun just, as it's setting there behind La Gomera, and bouncing the orange glow off of the mountains here as well. In fact, you can see Tady up there as well, but covered today with a bit of cloud up there. So that's our one bedroom apartment in Club Parai, so in Playa Parai. So it's just opposite the Hard Rock Hotel. It's about 5 minutes walk down to the beach. There's a lovely little, almost private beach. It's hardly ever busy. Just down here. You would walk out to the main road down past the next block, and then turn right down a little wiggly lane down there and straight onto the beach. So absolutely great place to live permanently or have as a holiday home. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.